Everyone, I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to review Vaseline Lip Care in the variant Cocoa Butter. So let's get started with the video. The product comes in this kind of cardboard packaging, which you can open from here. I have opened it in a weird way, I know. So the main product is comes in this kind of tube packaging, which is I think a very good point because it is very hygienic. So the 10 gram of product price at rupees 45 and the shelf life is 2 years, which is quite good for a lip balm. They have mentioned everything on the back of the pack, but they haven't mentioned any ingredient list, but they have mentioned that it has 100% pure triple purified petroleum jelly and rich cocoa butter. So coming to its smell, it smells exactly like vanilla chocolate shake or vanilla Oreo shake kind of smell, which I absolutely love. If you have sensitive nose, it will not bother you, but if you are still in doubt, then I think you can try the normal Vaseline lip care. So coming to its texture, it is on the thinner side, but it is not runny. It will not smudge from your lips, though it is smooth and it will cover your lips very easily. So it doesn't have any color, so you can apply it under your matte lipstick. Now I am going to show you a swatch of this. So this kind of applicator is very easy to use, and now the swatch. It doesn't have any color, so there is nothing to swatch actually. I think camera is not picking it up. So for my take, I would say that it is an amazing lip balm. It smells heavenly. If you are a chocolate lover, I think you should definitely try this variant especially. And how I apply it, I apply it sometimes on the daytime. I know it doesn't have SPF, but still I apply it sometimes when my lips feel dry, and mostly I use it at night. So I apply a thick layer of this lip balm and I wake up with amazing plump soft lips. So if you apply it at daytime, it stays for 3 to 4 hours and then you have to reapply it. So if you have chapped and dry flaky lips, I think you can apply a thick layer of this lip balm and go to sleep, and you will wake up with plump and soft lips. I think I want to add that this one is also Vaseline petroleum jelly, which we usually use as a lip balm. I also use it sometimes, not on a regular basis. So what is the difference between the lip care and this petroleum jelly? So as they have mentioned, the lip care range has triple purified petroleum jelly, so this doesn't have that. So this is less purified, so I think it is more on the safer side to use regularly than this one. So you can choose accordingly. So lastly, I want to say that this lip balm in this price range is an amazing lip balm. So it has amazing cocoa smell, and it will moisturize your lips, it will keep your lips soft, and it will also treat your chapped lips. So, and you can also use it under your lipstick. So this one is an amazing lip balm, and if you are on a budget and searching for a budget friendly lip balm, I think you should definitely try this one. If you like the video, please like it and subscribe to my channel, as it keeps me motivated to make more such videos. So I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.